This is a Forest Hills 71st Avenue bound M local train. The next stop is 63rd Drive, Rego Park. This is a Forest Hills 71st Avenue bound R train. The next stop is 63rd Drive, Rego Park. This is a Manhattan-bound M local train. The next stop is Grand Avenue, Newtown. This is a Manhattan-bound R local train. The next stop is Grand Avenue, Newtown. This is a Forest Hills 71st Avenue bound M local train. The next stop is 63rd Drive, Rego Park. This is a Manhattan-bound M local train. The next stop is Grand Avenue, Newtown.
Tomorrow Sunday at 10 AM is the Woodhaven Blvd JFK Airport real subway action. See you at the platform. Now it's time for Meanwhile.
Meanwhile.
The newer one's certainly more sparkly than the older A trains, the older R46s. In fact, I got the old one, so we'll compare the pair in just a moment. But first, let's crack it open, see how it looks. So there you have it, very nice paint. The newer paint is more sparkle, as I said before. And here is the new one. This one is made in, let's take a look, in 2020. So this one is a 2021. This one, on the other hand, if I haven't remembered wrong, is 2012. If you look at the paint side to side, you see which one obviously is more sparkle, and this one's more sparkling than the older ones. But having said that though, they're both the same train. Without further ado, let's give them a test run, see how it goes.
Meanwhile.
In this week's Meanwhile Extra, I would like to give a shout out to Teresa Catone, a fellow creator based in Queens. She is the founder of the project A Ride on 7 Trains. A Ride on 7 Trains is about communities and a train that connects them. People can create their very own subway cars with a printable template and a piece of cardstock. This project aims to create a new generation of train enthusiasts. If you are interested to see her work, you can click on the left side of the screen to support her, and of course fund her GoFundMe if you want to. Or alternatively, you can click on the right to see my friend Lego MTA's latest unbox of the R211 Munipals subway train.